Welcome back, guys. This is Legit Lee back again with another video for you. Today I'm showing you guys how I made a greenhouse using some parts you can get from Lowe's and a 3D printer. I'm printing out these parts with black PLA on a ANET A8 3D printer that I have, and they're really nice. It's printing at 200 degrees Celsius with the bed being at 60 degrees Celsius as well. And I have a mirror on the bed surface to make a really nice shiny look that it gives off whenever you peel it up off of the bed there. And now you can see that the top is printing right here. I have some holes, circular holes, that are actually mounts for the light sockets to put in some regular screw light bulbs. I have some LEDs and they're soft white. The lumens, I believe, are at 450. And that basically is like really bright, makes it nice and warm for the plants to actually grow in. And then I have just a regular hole for a push button switch. You can see me installing the switch right there. That's just to turn on and off the lights. It's really nice. I went ahead and started using some old plexiglass that I have from my old job. You can see that I'm using the skill saw right here with a regular cutting disc for like metal and tile and stuff like that. It'll cut the plexiglass really nice and sharp and makes it really nice and flush. So basically the top is going to be PLA, the bottom is going to be PLA black plastic, and then the sides are going to be encased with a plexiglass look to give it a mirror type of finish, kind of like a glassy look. Now you see I'm trying to install the light sockets into the PLA, and it's a little loose for one of them, so I just went ahead and grabbed a heat gun with some glue sticks and went ahead and glued around the edges a little bit there to make sure it stood in place. And then I have to pull off these metal tabs because you're not going to need them, they're just going to be in your way. So I'm just using a regular pair of pliers to bend them back, no problem. Snapped them off, got the lights pushed in, and then went ahead and started screwing in the light bulb. And then I got me just a regular power extension cord to make sure that the light is getting power, obviously. So I had this old one lying around. It had a melted end on it, so I just clipped the end off, stripped the wires back, added the wires to it, and then added the switch, got everything set up, and now it seems like it's working. Then we added the plexiglass in the middle between the top and the bottom layers. That was a little tough because I had to fix them in kind of hard. They were really close call, but they were able to mount in. And now we're showing off the finished product, and it looks really nice. I hope you guys are thinking it looks good as well. This is my first time doing something like this with plants. I'm thinking about developing this into some kind of showcase type of case, you know, like how you have a display case if you're trying to show off something really nice, because it can work either way. It's nice enough to promote something that will give it light. You can use the screw-in light bulbs if you want to. The next time I'm thinking about adding some regular LED lighting to give off a nice look without having to show off any lights or wires or anything. Have it all embedded at the top. This is just the first prototype. So if you're liking this video and you like my artwork that I'm showing you here, I'm trying to go green a little bit with you guys here. If you like all this, please let me know. Put a link in the comment below, tell me what you think about it. Hit that like button, you know, that definitely would help out the video a little bit. Share it if you can with your friends on Facebook, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button whenever I do put out another video like this, because I will be doing more stuff like this in the nearby future. And I am going to be designing and creating my own stuff from scratch, mostly models. I've been really getting into my modeling for like Blender and things like that, so that will be coming up in the nearby future as well. Hope you guys like this video. This is Legit Lee, and I'm signing out.